Hello, everybody. My name is Sir Rafael, and I'm here to teach you environmental studies for class 1. Now, everybody, take out your Wonder World textbooks and turn with me to page 56, and we shall continue with our lesson Animals in My World. Right? Lesson number 10 Animals in My World. And now, let us turn to page 56. We shall learn today about how animals help us. Now, let us how different animals help us. Let us read. Animals are our friends. We get various things from them. Hens give us eggs, right? Have you ever seen a hen? Right? The hens lay eggs. Cows, goats, and camels give us milk. From milk, we make butter, paneer, and curd. And also, we get ice creams and all other sorts of different things, like lassi as well. Camels and horses help us to go from one place to another, right? So we ride on camels and horses. Donkeys help us to carry load. From sheep, we get our wool for our warm clothes, right? So donkeys help us carry many different heavy things. And then from sheep, we get wool for warm clothes you wear in the winter, right? You, if you have a sweater, that sweater is probably made from wool, from the sheep. We should never hurt animals. We should give them clean food, water, and a comfortable place to live in. Right? These are the different ways how animals help us. Right? Hens give us eggs, cows, goats give us milk, and then camels and horses, we can ride on them and make them carry loads for us, donkeys as well. And then from sheep, we get our wool and other sorts of things. Animal homes. Animals live where they can find food and feel safe, right? Animals also need homes, right? Like you and I, we need houses. Animals also live in their own homes, right? So, what kind of homes do they live in? Rabbits and rats live in holes in the ground, and they are called burrows, right? Rabbits and rats, they live inside holes in the ground. And some birds build their shelter on trees, right? Have you ever seen a nest? Yes, a bird's home is called a nest. Some birds, like the ostrich, live on land. Yes, some birds live on nests and some birds live on land. Many types of fishes live in water, and we build homes for animals that live with us, right? And sometimes you will see many different kinds of homes for we build for animals. Like, have you seen a kennel for a dog? Do you have a dog, or do you know anybody who has dogs? Right? So dogs live in kennels, then stables for horses, a shed for cows, and pens for sheep. Right? So animals also require homes to live in, and these are the different kinds of homes that animals they find shelter in. Now, animals and their young ones. Then animals have babies too, right? So just like we we grow up from being babies to big adults. Animals also grow from babies as well. So they are known by different names. A baby bear is called a cub, right? Do you know what a bear is? Have you ever seen a baby bear? A baby bear is called a cub. And then a baby duck is called a duckling. Hmm. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby deer is called a fawn. Fawn, fawn. And then a baby horse is called a foal. Foal, foal. Right? Now look at the different other animals. Calf. Sorry. I will help you do the first one. The first one is calf. Calf. Right? Now Now, for homework, I would like you to do fill in the missing letters to complete the names of the animal babies, right? And then let us try to remember what we have learned today. Animals, we get eggs and milk from animals as well. And then other animals help us go from one place to another, like camels and horses. Donkeys help us to carry huge loads, and then sheep, we get wool from sheep, from which we make warm clothes. And then animals live in their animal houses, like Rabbits and rats live in holes in the ground, and they are called burrows. And then some birds live on shelters on trees, they are called nests. And then fishes live in the water. Yes, fishes live in the water. Kennels for dogs, stables for horses, sheds for cows, and pen for sheep. Animals need houses like you and me. So that will be the end of the lesson today. And for homework, I would like you to do um, exercises A, B, C, and D on pages 59 and 60. All right. So thank you for joining me for this lesson. My name is Sir Raphael, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.